Okay, got my smelting operations underway. This is my kiln. All fired up here, hooked over to the tank over there. This is my burner. This is like on eBay for like 40 bucks for this burner assembly. We're smelting down some aluminum right now. Crucible's in there getting hot. Sounds like a jet engine. We're gonna swing the lid shut. Move the handle so it don't get hot. Don't want to get my phone over there and melt my phone. So this is, the whole outside of this thing is all cement with fiberglass inside of the cement. And wire mesh to hold the shape while I glassed it, while I did like a cement fiberglass structure, and it's held up really well. Really easy to make, really cheap. You can make this thing any size you want, and it's dead cold. I mean, you put your hand on the outside, you put your hand anywhere on this, and it's cool. But these are what I'm going to be casting. This is a 2.5 inch, and one next to it is 1.25 inches. And these are dom pipes, thick walled steel, seamless, with plugs on the bottom that are removable. So I can cast into those. What I got the heat gun is doing is preheating. So I can cast into those, and when the aluminum cools, it shrinks more than the steel. And so the slugs just drop out. And then I can take and turn them over here on my lathe, put them on the lathe, and turn them up on my lathe. And matter of fact, I'll head back down here through the shop and over here to the sink where I had a piece. This is one I just finished pouring about a half an hour ago. I had to run up the store and get more gas, but this is my casting. And then we'll chuck that in the lathe and turn that all down. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I love my kiln, love my forge, and just love recycling the metal into something useful.